May nakita akong balita na less than 2% lang daw ng Filipinos ang currently insured or merong life insurance. 2% from the current population ng Philippines na almost 120 million. And kung isipin mo nga naman, ang pagkuha ng life insurance, hindi siya masyadong binavalue or hindi siya pinapriority ng mga Filipino. Unlike sa pagkuha ng investments o paghahanap ng investments. Pero one of the reasons na nakikita ko dito, kahit galing pa sila sa lower class, middle class, higher class, is yung idea na kung paano ba nila mapapakinabangan yung insurance. It all boils down to the idea of ano bang magiging pakinabang nila sa insurance? Paano ba nila magagamit ito? And totoo naman hindi naman talaga nila mapapakinabangan yung insurance. Yung family nila yung makikinabang dun sa benefits, hindi sila. That's why ang lagi kong ginagawa sa mga clients ko, aside from giving them an adequate life insurance, is yung meron din silang health insurance. In any form of health insurance, whether HMO, hospitalization benefit, or critical illness benefit. Kaya importante ang proper financial planning. Because if you're gonna do financial planning properly, dun mo malalaman ang importance of having an emergency fund, an adequate life insurance, a critical illness benefit, and even sa paghahanda sa educational fund and retirement. Okay lang naman to have a micro-insurance. Example, yung mga nabibili online. But it's important for you to know kung magkano ba yung kailangan mo sa oras na mangailangan ka. Let me help you on that. Message mo lang ako and let's start your financial journey.